taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
From We Love Food World. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you everyone?
I'm making cake and this and that.
We're gonna make a cake. Okay guys, today we're gonna make a cake, a sponge cake. This is the recipe.
Yeah, waiter. You mean cake.
We're gonna make it. Okay, sure Sandra, what is the recipe?
Is
Okay, we have extra vanilla,
extra banana. Got
milk.
Got
How many egg? 4 egg.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 egg. We have 250 milligrams
2 babies.
flour, self-processing flour. And caster sugar is 250 milligram.
That
Butter
one.
250 milligram.
This
And
one.
1 spoon of vanilla
One
and
spoon.
2 teaspoons of
Should we start?
sugar. Okay guys, let's begin.
What's this? Flowers.
Flour.
This
yeah.
is bowl.
Okay. Okay Sandra. Okay Sandra, you need to put the sugar please.
Sugar.
Sugar darling.
What's this?
Sugar.
No mix. Woo! It's windy.
Windy. Really windy. Okay. Extra vanilla.
Oh.
Extra vanilla dear Sandra. That one. The
Oh,
vanilla
that
one.
one.
Wow.
Oh, more.
No more. Milk.
Milk.
Okay, good boy, yeah? And butter.
It's not hot.
Not hot. Gosh. Okay.
In
And then mix it.
makes in white or egg.
Yeah. Okay, and then the egg, you need to shake it.
Take it.
Okay, go shake.
How egg?
Mix it, darling. Mix it, please. Wow, amazing, isn't it?
Make. I mean the soap.
Yeah, okay. Okay, okay
Oh,
go.
like that.
Yeah, like that. Okay, put now, please. Put it. Thank you, Sander. Wow, thumbs up, people. Thumbs up.
Some up.
Like this. Good boy. Okay, now we're gonna make it. Okay?
I wanna make it. I strong.
Okay, you are strong.
Yeah.
Good boy. You're gonna be a chef, like Dada.
Yeah.
Good. High five. Tell to them, I'm a chef.
I said
How are you gonna make it?
I'm cake.
Okay.
We got
Okay, mix it.
cake.
Not like that. Show, mommy gonna show you. Okay.
Okay, let's go mix.
Gentle. It's gentle. Amazing.
This way that.
Okay guys, if you have kids, make sure
Bye-bye.
you're baking a cake during the lockdown. So okay, that's it.
Okay, put in sink. Put in sink.
This one, you need to put the sink and then mommy gonna continue to mix it. Put the sink please, this one. Thank you.
Bowl.
Wait a minute son, because it's not mixed properly.
This one.
Later.
Okay, go back.
Careful, huh?
I'll stay just here.
I'm gonna help my son because it's not mixed properly. Have a look. Dada.
Okay. Oh guys, we'll be making cake.
You need to have a look at the camera.
Okay.
Smile. Hola, amiga.
Hello, amiga. Oh, sorry.
Have a look at the camera, son.
Hello.
Mwah.
Ma.
Okay. Okay, guys, it's really easy and really simple. The recipe. Sponge cake.
Sponge cake.
Okay. Done it?
Hello. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Okay. Okay, people. I just brushed butter to not sticky.
No
And then-
sticky.
yeah.
I want to put a big, a strong.
Oh, you're strong.
Yeah.
Okay, mommy gonna continue. Come on.
Come on, boys here.
That's it. Wait a minute. Okay.
Oh, I'm strong. Mom, I'm strong, mommy.
I know you're strong.
You need to pull
Strong
over.
enough.
I want to pull over. Yeah, we pull over. Mommy, wait.
Go to lick.
Yeah.
Oh no. Should the people are licking the cake. You like it?
It's done.
What is the taste?
Strong. Oh, it's a honey here.
The honey.
Oh,
Okay, guys. Look at that.
we're done.
Mmm.
You kind of open this there.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Okay, you open that.
Go lick it here. Oh. You want licking? Oh my god.
I want to read.
Yummy?
Yummy.
It's delicious.
Yes.
Mmm.
Okay, let's eat more.
Yummy, yummy.
Mom, let's eat more.
Give a kiss. Mwah. Love you.
Ma.
Huh? Cuddle me. Cuddle. Oh.
I wasn't good. I wasn't good. I was not good.
I already put in the oven about 30 minutes and then 170 for the oven. Thank you guys. Hi guys, look at this. Amazing. Done. It's still really hot, so you need to be cooled down a bit. It's the sponge cake. It's look amazing. See you later. Nice. Hi guys, look this.
Hi, guys.
Sponge cake. It look yummy, delicious. With the roti on top is amazing. And Sandra wants to try now, isn't it, Sandra? And please subscribe and like. Hopefully you like it and amazing. Okay, let's eat, Sandra. Eat.
I want to cut.
Mommy gonna cut and then later you're gonna cut. Okay.
It goes in the cut.
Yeah.
I want to cut too.
Yeah.
Sing too.
Eat, Sander.
Oh, amazing! Look at this. Delicious. Yeah.
On that one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay. Sandra wanna eat.
On top.
Top. Yummy. Mmm. Yummy. You like it?
Okay.
It's delicious.
This is all.
Mmm. Yummy. What do you think?
Where'd it go? I pulled over.
Oh. Okay. Do you like it, mommy cake? Do you like it? Amazing.
Amazing.
What do you think?
Wait, don't eat more.
Eat more. Okay. Say hello to people. Yummy cake, mommy.
Okay.
We done this. Yeah?
Yeah, it's done. Done.
You done it. Okay. High five, darling. Mwah.
It's done.
Thank you guys. Bye now. Have a nice day.
Wait. Are we done with Erin? Wait. I mean the present.
Oh, present. Anyway, happy Father's Day to all amazing dad in the world.
No.
Mwah.
Mom, would you washing the water world?
Hola, amiga.
Hola, amiga.
Ele Baseha.
Hello, Sarah.
Benya kami.
Mama.
Mwah.
Ma.
Sander.
Mama.
Antonia.
Hapide. It's time to eat cake.
taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from